In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Perplexity. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where the upload option is, it becomes very easy to use whenever you want Perplexity to analyze or describe an image for you. If you're using Perplexity to ask visual questions, summarize what's in a picture, or get help understanding an image, this is the basic workflow you'll follow. To begin, go to Perplexity and look for the plus icon near the message area. This plus icon is what lets you add extra content to your prompt, including files and images. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the attachment options. If you don't see it right away, just check around the input box where you normally type your question. After clicking the plus icon, a small menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Upload Files or Images. This tells Perplexity that you want to attach something from your device. Once you click it, your file browser should open, allowing you to choose the image you want to upload. Select the image you want to use and wait a moment for it to attach properly before continuing. If your internet connection is a little slow, giving it an extra second can help avoid upload issues. Once the image has been added, you can create your prompt. This is where you tell Perplexity what you want it to do with the image. For example, you can type something like, "Tell me what's happening in the picture." This kind of prompt works well if you want a general explanation of the image. You can also keep your wording simple and direct, since clear prompts usually lead to clearer responses. The important thing is to make sure your question matches the kind of help you want from the uploaded image. When your image is attached and your prompt is ready, click on Submit. This sends both the image and your written request to Perplexity so it can process them together. After that, Perplexity will generate a response based on the image you uploaded and the prompt you provided. And that's it. You click the plus icon, choose Upload Files or Images, type your prompt, and click Submit. It's a straightforward feature, but it can be really useful when you want Perplexity to work with visual information instead of text alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.